Hi everybody. The next video we wanted to share some helpful tips on Google Maps. Google is part of our everyday life and it has some great tools that drivers can use. So we pulled up one of our customers here that we go to quite often that's not in too terrible a spot to get down to Chicago or Romeoville. So you can look at Google when I pulled it up. Switch to satellite, I can kind of get a big overall picture of the roads I'm coming in on. If I zoom in and look at the overhead, I can look at where all the trailers are, how they're getting in there. I can see that you have to come in through here. I can look at the different driveways. If I have questions, maybe I've never been there before, one tip that I will say is go to Street View. When you get to Street View, you can take a look at the whole area. I can look at different driveways. I can zoom in on the building numbers. I can zoom in on signs. I can read right there. That's not a truck entrance, so I probably don't want to go that way. Zoom back out. I can look at the customers next to me so I know if I've gone past my location. The Lodgers Parkway, that's the address, so I know I'm in the right area. And I can look at all this stuff. I can even go right up to different gates, look at different docks. Always, if you've never been to a customer, always look at Street View. It will save you so much time of missing the driveway you're supposed to be at. This has a stop line. It appears to be a two-way driveway. I can go down to the end here and just double check really fast before I got there. So there's no specific signs at either end telling me which one to use, so I would feel confident as a driver going into either driveway. So just taking that time to pull it up on Google and look at the Street View and look for signs, look for bridges, look for anything that might be an impediment for you to get there safely is huge. One call out, if you go up here, it'll oftentimes tell you the year when the Google car went through there. This one unfortunately doesn't, so I'm gonna assume it's kind of recent. If it ever says 2010, 2012, use it with a grain of salt, because a lot of things change over the years. If you're worried about a place to park, sometimes you can click around the industrial area, read the signs. There might be an open spot for truck parking. If you see a line of trucks parked there, you can do a lot of recon for the customer that you're going to if you've never been there. Quickly on your phone using Google, it's a game changer. When this technology came out, it made a world of difference. The one thing you can't do is substitute it for your atlas. You have to use it with your atlas. You have to use the atlas to look at all the big roads to make sure they're safe, and then switch to Google to look more refined at your actual destination, at your customer, because the atlas isn't giving you those small roads within the city. So we want and encourage everybody to use both. Use everything that's at your disposal to make sure that you get the freight there safely. That's the most important part. Again, this was really quick. There's not much to it. So I hope this helps, and I hope everybody's out there using all the tools at their disposal to minimize themselves getting into a situation they can't get out of. Again, thanks a lot for watching this quick tutorial, this quick help guide. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to somebody in the safety department. we'd be more than happy to have a good discussion and talk about any questions you might have or any comments. So please, use your tools that are available and keep doing the great job you all are doing. Thanks.